The Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask makes three very big promises. It is going to stop your hair fall, it's going to treat your dry damaged hair by repairing them, and it's also going to make your hair stronger and healthier. Now, I have been coloring my hair for the last 22 years and I know a thing or two about how to take care of dry damaged hair and what products really work or don't work. So I was very excited to try this extremely popular mask and see whether it wows me or fails me. Let's go! Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Rubina. I've had a career spanning 22 years between healthcare, IT and skin and hair. And I post videos once a week on all these three topics. So do stay tuned. I'm going to be discussing this product in 5 sections. The first is, why did I try this product? Considering I'm so particular about the hair care that I use, because I'm constantly trying to make sure my hair is well cared for, considering I love fashion colors and I've been coloring my hair for 22 years, so my hair requires some really intense care. In the second section, I'm going to be discussing the packaging. In the third section, I'm going to go detective on all the ingredients. So are the ingredients in there really good in delivering the promise that the product needs? And from there, go on to what the hell factor, what the hell great, or what the hell fail. And of course, the fifth one, paisa vasool. Does this product really work in your budget? Let's get started. Now, I am fanatical about my hair care because my hair really does require a lot of care, considering I've been doing great coverage for 20 years, plus also the fact that I love fashion colors. So, colors really don't ruin your hair. What ruins your hair is if we don't take good care of it. And so obviously I have to be really careful. Plus, having professionally trained in hair care, I know a thing or two about how to take care of your hair really well. And I am very loyal to the few hair care products that I use because I want my hair care to really deliver on making sure my hair is repaired, it's got good nutrition, it's got good shine, and it looks healthy. This ad for the product has been running non-stop, and I was like very intrigued to see the cost and the product and the ingredients and really go in and check out whether it really delivers, because it's got a great product mix, at least from what I see on the website. So the packaging had me a little foxed. I don't understand whether it was only me. I am quite clumsy, so it just grabbed me. So once the package was open, I applied the mask on my semi-wet hair and sat for about 20-25 minutes before I washed it off. And this is a good time to reflect on the ingredients of the product. So there are always two facets to a product: what we see in the advertising and the marketing, and what we see really on the website if the product discloses. Now for me, if the product does not disclose what the ingredients are, I will not even touch the product, right? Because I need to know what I'm putting on my hair, just like we are so particular about what we are eating. So I did see the ingredient list on the website and on the packaging. Yes, some of the ingredients have been pushed forward a lot. On the packaging, it says it's got onion, it's got bamboo vinegar, and it's got rosemary, right? Even the artwork says the same thing. But when you see the ingredient list, it's not like that. Now, if we know the ingredient list, we should know that the ingredient list is always the highest concentration of the ingredient to the lowest concentration. Now, if you see the ingredient list, the real power punchers in this product, the onion seed and the rosemary, are way down. And I suspect that the percentage is far too less for them to actually act and stop hair fall. Because any ingredient that's going to stop hair fall has to be applied on your hair at least 3 to 4 times in a week and has to be in generous quantities to have an effect on your scalp. Onion is packed with sulfur, it's great for hair fall and has actually been medically proven. Same thing with rosemary, it blocks the DHT hormone, which actually stops hair fall. Now, this product, if I'm going to use it, I'm not sure if the percentage is enough for it to really deliver on those two promises. Then we see it's packed with coconut. Now, coconut is really nourishing and gives a lot of hydration and nourishment to the hair, and it is high up in the ingredient list, which is a great thing. But this is where the bummer comes and move to the fourth section. What the hell factor? Now, a mask, when you have a conditioning mask, which is supposed to repair damaged hair, improve the frizz in your hair, give you a nice shiny, glossy hair, then the mask has to be used after shampoo. Because the job of the shampoo is to remove all the oils and the butters from your hair. So it's very counterintuitive that you're going to use this product, apply it on your hair, which has got all the butters of the coconut, the rich oils, and then you're going to use the shampoo and wash them all off. If I'm going to use it for my dry, damaged hair, I have to use a conditioner post this, because the shampoo has stripped my hair, whether it's sulfate-free or any other shampoo. Its job is to clean your hair of all the oils, and that's what it's going to do. So that is a what the hell factor for me, because if I'm using a mask and I'm looking at it to repair my damaged hair, then give it to me post-shampoo. Because if it was a post-shampoo mask, it could still have the goodness of the hair, the onion oil and the rosemary oil, because that's going to work on your scalp, on your hair follicles, and still give me the benefit of the hair growth. So that is what the hell. Maybe I've got something wrong, maybe I've missed something. Would you know what I've missed? If you do, please do let me know what am I missing here, and so what the hell am I thinking, really? Now this little baby costs you 600 rupees. You're going to use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's going to last you only for a week, and after that you're going to be repurchasing it, so you're going to in a month spend 2,400 on this product, which in a year is going to be about 26,000 on your hair mask. Then you have the cost of the shampoo, then you have cost of the conditioner, then you have cost of the serums and the hair oil. Well, that's a lot of money to spend on a product that delivers on half the promise, or could have at least replaced the conditioner, because that's what good masks do. Use it in place of conditioner, and so therefore you're saving money on the conditioner and getting the real goodness of a mask, because mask is supposed to have so much of butters and oils to hydrate your hair, condition your hair, and even though this does it, I still have to use a conditioner. I still have to use a conditioner for my damaged hair and for them to be shiny and beautiful. So that was a little disappointing. If you found this video useful, please do like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please do subscribe. And before I end this video, I just want to add here, maybe I'm biased, because I have been using a hair care product for the last 2.5-3 years, and it is just beautiful. It costs me about 2,800 for a jar, and but the jar lasts me for almost 6 months, because I just need to use a tablespoon of it, and it's packed with these beautiful silicones which really smoothen out my hair. Now, all silicones are not bad for your hair. I've done a very detailed video on it. You might want to have a look. Silicones, if you're using in your hair care, give you this really nice friction-free hair, which makes sure they don't break and that they grow out beautifully. My mask also has a whole lot of polymers. It's got hydrating ingredients like niacinamide. It's got valine in it. So it really packs a lot of moisture, and post using that mask, my hair is glossy, shiny, healthy, hydrated beautifully. So maybe because I'm comparing this to that product, it's a very, very advanced product for sure, because it comes from one of the best hair care brands. So maybe I am biased, but have you used this product? What was your experience? If it was better than mine, maybe I missed something, do leave a comment in the section below. I could learn a thing or two. Apart from these great products, I also have a very, very detailed hair care routine that I follow on a weekly basis. So I've done a great video on it. If you'd like to have a look, please do. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and it's also linked here. With that, it's time for me to wrap up this video. I'll catch you again soon. Ciao.